Chocolate.
We're back again, guys. We're back.
And we're doing a review today.
We are.
Yep.
And what a better addition to a bar than a slushy machine. Hey?
Oh, exactly.
That's the one. That's the way to go. We're going to make today, and this way the girls can have a bit of a sample as well, we're going to do a chocolate mudslide.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
How's that, eh?
Yep, great.
Chocolate mudslide. Now, this is the Ninja slushy machine, right? One of their latest ones. Now, I've been wanting to buy a slushy machine for a long time, but they're always in the thousands to buy. And I thought, yeah, I can't really justify that. And then Ninja come out with this bloody thing, and it was under $500. I couldn't say no.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey? So, they do all sorts of stuff, and they come with this guide and all that and whatever, but at the end of the day, I'm only interested in how it tastes and how it works out and whether it's worth the money. So we're going to go ahead with it. Not going to worry about unboxing it. You can see the machine there. You can look it up online. I'll put a link down to it below so you can check it out for yourself. But we're going to go into the nuts and bolts of it and how it works.
How it tastes.
Most importantly. So there you go. First thing you do, keep in mind, this doesn't need ice cubes. None of that. This chills it on its own. It does it by itself. It says, well, the way I do it,
Yep.
you can use all sorts of ingredients, but the way I do it is the very first time I tried it with this mudslide, you use milk, right? This is a milk-based slushy. Now, we tried it the very first time that we ever tried it was with plain milk, just full cream milk, and then I had a brilliant idea. I did. I do every now and again. I had a brilliant idea, and I said, why the hell don't I just simply use chocolate milk? So I did. We tried it with a Big M first, the Big M chocolate, but then we're going to go with this oak one this time for a change. So we're going to measure out. We're only going to go a litre this time. Yep. We'll do a litre. I've got my measuring jug here. Well, that should be exactly half a bottle here. We pour that in there, see if I can do it without making a mess.
Looks like something out of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Finger licking good. Oh no, that's Kentucky Fried, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll have a bit of that. Yum. There we go. Now, I have a secret recipe over here. Check this out. This right here is what the professionals use.
Oh, professional mudslide.
Yep.
Yeah.
So
that's got all the alcohol and everything in it already.
no
Oh,
alcohol.
no alcohol?
This is all the flavouring. That's just chocolate, but this is the flavouring that gives you the mudslide flavour. Okay, so this is the syrup for it. So it's 4-to-1, so we use 250 ml of this. Beautiful.
It's pretty thick, isn't it?
Yep. Stick your finger on that and taste that.
That's nice. That'd be dangerous at my place. I'll be drinking out of the bottle.
And from there, are we even plugged in? No, we're not. It would help if we're plugged in. There you go.
That's probably the number one thing we should have looked at.
Don't be silly. Alright, we got power. And we're going slushy. And we control the temperature.
Oh, cool.
Up, there it is.
Yeah, the Ninja products, as I've watched my reviews, there's heaps of products on there. Ninja, I've never had a problem with any of the Ninja products. They've all
Not
been really
so far,
good.
I agree.
Yeah.
So,
Been fantastic. If you're watching Ninja, please help us out with some more products.
you recently bought a soft serve, mate,
Yeah,
didn't you?
a soft serve. Yeah, it was awesome. The only thing I don't like, it'd be good if it could chill it, make it and everything, but it doesn't do that. You got to use it. You know, you got to freeze everything, of course.
Okay,
Put it in the freezer, pull it out, then you make your soft serve. But no, it's really good. If you want to make quick ice cream, you don't buy that machine. It's a lengthy process, but it's worth it in the long run. It tastes better than the shop bought stuff.
Okay, so this is going to run now. It'll take 20 minutes to half an hour to start getting up there.
When do you put the alcohol in? Is that last?
I will put that in maybe 15 minutes before it's actually
Oh,
ready.
yeah, cool.
Once it actually starts thickening up, then you add, well, in this case it'll be like vodka.
Yep.
I mean, it doesn't have to be an alcoholic slushy.
Yeah, exactly.
But, I mean, what's the point then if it isn't?
I think you're wrong there. It's got to be one.
Yeah, well, there you go. So, because you don't want to take away from the chocolate flavour, because that's the whole point of this, you're just going to put in a vodka.
Yep.
Because it's tasteless, so it'll give it a little bit of an alcohol hit while still maintaining that rich chocolate flavour.
Oh, awesome.
So, we'll let this run and we'll come back to you. You'll see how we're going.
Great. See you soon.
This is just a quick break to let you know about vidIQ. I don't normally recommend stuff on my channel. If you're a small-time YouTuber, you're just starting out, or you're only reasonably new in the game, let me tell you, it'll change how you approach and how you make YouTube videos and get successful with it by getting onto vidIQ. I'll have the link down below. Thumbnails, descriptions. It'll automatically make shorts out of your existing long-form video. It'll optimize them for you. It's a complete toolkit, and not only can you sign up for free, as you grow, you'll subscribe to them and you'll get even more features. And let me tell you, it'll get you from being just an amateur and get you start riding that wave to making $1 on YouTube. I've used them probably now for 6 months, and I wish I would have known about it from the beginning. Get onto it, use the link below, and you'll start growing like I did. I couldn't recommend them highly enough. Have a look at them and give them a go. Okay, we're about 15 to 20 minutes into it. You can see it's really starting to get up there now.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Okay.
Looks like a little wave pool.
Wave pool.
Yeah.
That'll do it. I'll swim in that.
I would if I could.
Yeah.
So you add the vodka soon, or?
Yeah, not just yet.
Yep.
I'll wait for another 10 minutes or so. And
Okay, cool.
we'll add the good stuff. The good stuff.
The main reason you're drinking it.
That's pretty much it. Back with you shortly. Time for the test.
I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Well, we're about to find out.
You've done this before, haven't you?
Yeah. Wrap your lips around that, big boy.
That's nice. Like I've had the mud shakes and pre-mixed drinks, and it tastes exactly like it,
Oh, okay.
but a lot colder.
So this is our mudslide.
One thing before we go, where did you get plastic straws from?
Amazon.
Oh, Amazon.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, but these are the plastic straws with a little spoon on the end.
That's mad. It is good.
Your missus is going to want one now.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know that, don't you?
I think I want one.
I reckon this passes the pub test.
Oh yeah.
I'm here with my friend Alice.
Hi.
And we're taste testing Chocky Booze. All right. So the boys have made us mudslides in the Ninja thingy. what's it called? A ninja.
Ninja slushy?
Yeah, whatever it is, it's there. And I want to see your reaction. Have a sip. Don't try and pick it up because it's going to fall all over you. Suck it out of the glass.
Here we go.
So this is called a mudslide, and it's made from a mix. So, you like that?
Yeah.
It's very moreish. I can't stop drinking it. But,
Just like a chocolate milkshake.
and not even crunchy. That's even better. But I can taste the alcohol. Can you taste alcohol in that?
I actually can't.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Not yet.
I'm pretty sensitive to alcohol tastes. Now you got to remember what this tastes like because we're going to compare 2 other drinks. All right? You're going to end up with a milk mustache and I'm going to laugh and laugh. All right, so we've got, this is called Mozart and it's chocolate cream, sort of like a Bailey's thing. And you got to shake it up real good because otherwise it ends up a bit icky yucky. So we're going to have a taste of this. Have you ever tried this before?
No, I've never tried.
It's really pretty with the gold leaf on the outside. But they have different flavours with this now too. Strawberry, which I think is a bit sickly. And I don't know, other stuff. All right.
So what one's this one?
This one's Mozart chocolate cream. All right, so we'll have a taste. Chocolate. See? Really thick and chocolatey.
Together or?
Yeah.
with it? Cheers.
Cheers. That tastes really alcohol-y.
Yeah.
Now this is good because it's a mix, so it's more thick, shaky, milkshakey. Oh, it's very warming.
Yeah. No, I can taste the alcohol, but the chocolate is a nice touch.
Yeah, I think so too. All right. Here's my personal favourite.
Another one?
Okay, well, might have like first place Bailey's chocolate. So this has been in the fridge. So we'll see what you think because this Mozart was room temperature, yeah? And this is cold because it's in the Ninja Machine. So this has been in the fridge. So it might affect the taste, I don't know. That came out really, I'm tripping on myself. Don't waste it. That came out really slow, like, because it's not mixed with anything. So, all right, this is the Bailey's.
All right, I'm excited for this one.
All right, so remember we've got to, you can go back and taste any if you're not sure which one's 1, 2, 3, but we've got to choose the best, right? Okay, here we go. I'm not sure
I like
now.
this one.
You like that one? You have to tell your sister. Hello, sister. She
Yes,
likes
hello,
this one.
sister.
You were right. She liked
Chocolate
it.
Bailey's is really nice.
To me, it's got a bit of a coconutty taste. Or is that just me being silly?
Let me double check.
All right, it's important. An aftertaste of coconut.
Yeah, just a tinge.
Yeah.
Maybe
Okay.
I should go back and check this one.
Yeah, I have to as well. Now that I've had those two, this doesn't taste of alcohol at all.
Yes.
And I can see me drinking one of these and saying, I'll have another one, thank you. I don't feel like I've been drinking.
Yeah.
All right. So, out of those 3, which one do you like best?
I do love the chocolate Bailey's. The best. And then probably the slushy. And the Mozart last.
Yeah, I'm the same now. But I like this one because it doesn't feel like I'm drinking alcohol even though I am.
Yeah, I can't taste alcohol in here. These two, very strong.
That one especially.
Yeah.
Super strong.
So I could drink these easily.
Yeah, it's a shame. And we can't waste it. You know that, don't you?
I know.
All right. So...
I'm going to drink this one first.
Oh, okay. I'm going to let someone else finish that or feed it to the bees or something. Oh, I wonder how the bees would go drinking alcohol. All right, so definitely 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, we agree.
My picks.
I wonder what the boys thought of them.
Yeah.
I reckon you would like that because it's super alcoholic. So, but these are so easy to drink.
Yeah.
You just think you're having a milkshake. And then after having 3 of them, and I would be asleep in a corner, yeah, it wouldn't be good.
Yeah, I'm almost asleep now. I had that. So.
No more. Stick to the milkshake. Yeah. Thank you for helping me.
That's okay.
Appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Anytime. Okay.
I'm glad I bought it now. Catch you guys.
Take care.
See ya.